From glowing oceans to sounds no one can explain, our planet is full of mysteries science still can't solve. These are the top 10 unexplained global phenomena that continue to baffle scientists, explorers, and believers alike. Are you ready to question everything you thought you knew about the world? Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 10, the Taos hum. In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, a persistent low-frequency humming sound has been plaguing residents for decades. It's described as a diesel engine idling in the distance. The strange part? Only about 2% of the population can hear it, and extensive acoustic testing has found nothing. Is it a geological anomaly, mass hysteria, or something else entirely? Scientists have come up empty-handed, leaving the Taos hum as one of acoustics' most enduring puzzles. At number 9, we have the mysterious star jelly. Following meteor showers, people have reported finding strange gelatinous blobs on the ground. This substance, often called star jelly or astral jelly, evaporates shortly after being discovered, leaving no trace. While some theories suggest it's frog spawn or a type of slime mold, none of these explanations perfectly fit the circumstances of its appearance, which is almost always linked to celestial events. Could it be something not of this earth? The jury is still out. Sailing into our number 8 spot are the Milky Seas. Imagine being on a ship in the middle of the night, and the ocean around you suddenly starts to glow with a uniform milky white light, stretching as far as the eye can see. This isn't science fiction. It's a rare phenomenon primarily documented in the Indian Ocean. Unlike typical bioluminescence, which flashes or sparkles, the Milky Sea effect is a steady, vast glow. Satellite imagery has confirmed these events can cover thousands of square miles. Scientists suspect a unique type of bioluminescent bacteria is responsible, but they can't explain how they coordinate to create such a massive, sustained display. At number 7, we journey to the Nazca Lines in Peru. Etched into the arid coastal plain are hundreds of gigantic geoglyphs, depicting animals, plants, and geometric shapes. Some of these lines stretch for miles. Created by the ancient Nazca culture between 500 BC and 500 AD, their purpose remains a profound mystery. How did they create such precise figures on a massive scale without an aerial view? Were they astronomical calendars, ritual pathways, or messages to the gods? Despite decades of study, the Nazca Lines hold their secrets close. Number 6 brings us the baffling phenomenon of ball lightning. For centuries, eyewitnesses have described seeing floating, glowing spheres of light, ranging from golf ball size to several feet in diameter. These orbs can appear during thunderstorms, but also in clear weather. They move erratically, can pass through solid objects like walls, and sometimes end with a loud bang. Conventional physics struggles to explain them. Theories range from plasma bubbles to silicon nanoparticles, but no single model has been able to replicate all the reported characteristics of ball lightning, making it a truly electrifying enigma. We're halfway through. At number 5, we have the Tunguska event. In 1908, a colossal explosion flattened over 80 million trees across 830 square miles of remote Siberian forest. The blast was estimated to be 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. The leading theory is the air burst of a meteoroid or comet. The problem? No impact crater has ever been found, and no significant fragments of the object have been recovered. The lack of direct evidence has led to all sorts of speculation, from a black hole collision to an alien spacecraft mishap. For now, the cause of the largest impact event in recent history remains officially unsolved. Coming in at number 4 is the infamous Bermuda Triangle. This patch of the North Atlantic Ocean, roughly bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has a reputation for swallowing ships and planes without a trace. While many statisticians and scientists dismiss the legend, citing bad weather and human error, the sheer number of strange disappearances, like the entire squadron of Flight 19 bombers in 1945, continues to fuel speculation. Are there unusual magnetic anomalies, rogue waves, or something far stranger at play in this mysterious stretch of water? The debate rages on. Our top 3 begins with the Hessdalen Lights. In a remote valley in Norway, residents and researchers have been documenting strange, unexplained lights in the sky for decades. These lights can be bright white, yellow, or red. They hover, move slowly, or zip across the valley at incredible speeds. They appear as spheres, spirals, or other complex shapes. A permanent research station was even set up to study them. Despite collecting vast amounts of data, including radar and spectral analysis, scientists have no definitive explanation. They've ruled out planes, satellites, and known atmospheric phenomena, leaving the Hessdalen lights as a persistent and well-documented mystery. The runner-up at number 2 is the deep-sea sound known as the bloop. In 1997, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, recorded an ultra-low frequency but extremely powerful underwater sound. It was detected by hydrophones thousands of miles apart across the Pacific. The sound profile didn't match any known man-made or geological source. Most fascinatingly, its signature suggested it was made by a living creature, but it was far louder than any sound ever recorded from a marine animal, including the blue whale. For years, it fueled speculation of a colossal undiscovered sea monster. Although NOAA later suggested it was likely the sound of a massive ice quake, many still question if that explanation truly fits all the data. What really made the bloop? And finally, the number 1 unexplained global phenomenon: dark matter and dark energy. This isn't something you can see or touch, but it's the biggest mystery in the entire universe. When astronomers look at galaxies, they see that they're spinning so fast they should fly apart. The gravity from all the visible stars, gas, and dust isn't nearly enough to hold them together. So there must be some invisible stuff providing the extra gravitational pull. We call this dark matter. Scientists believe it makes up about 27% of the universe, but that's not all. The expansion of the universe isn't slowing down as you'd expect. It's accelerating. To explain this, scientists have proposed the existence of dark energy, a mysterious force pushing everything apart, which makes up a staggering 68% of the cosmos. That means everything we can see and observe, every star, planet, and galaxy, accounts for less than 5% of the universe. We have no idea what dark matter or dark energy actually are. They are placeholders for our profound ignorance about the fundamental nature of reality. It's the ultimate global, or rather cosmic phenomenon, and solving it would rewrite physics as we know it. From strange hums to the very fabric of our universe, our world is brimming with questions that have no answers. These mysteries remind us that there is still so much to discover and explore. Which of these phenomena do you find the most fascinating? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-bending content. See you next time.